Your gemstone jewelry is more than just an accessory. It expresses your unique style, a celebration of color, and sometimes a cherished heirloom. Hence, proper care is essential. At Gems & Why, we're here to guide you through the best ways to care for your gemstones and fine jewelry. Let's start with daily care. To protect your gemstones from scratches and buildup, put on your jewelry last, after applying lotions, perfumes, and makeup. And when your day is done, store each piece separately in a soft pouch or a lined jewelry box to avoid scratches and damage. Water won't damage most gemstones, but exposure to harsh soaps, detergents, or hand sanitizers can dull their brilliance over time. Be sure to remove your rings before washing dishes, cleaning, or using any household chemicals. Gemstones may be durable, but they're not indestructible. Avoid wearing your jewelry during activities like sports, gardening, or heavy lifting, as hard impacts can chip or crack even the toughest stones. A little TLC, tender loving care, goes a long way. Most colored gemstones can be safely cleaned at home using warm water, mild dish soap, and a soft brush. Gently scrub around the setting and rinse thoroughly. Avoid using ultrasonic cleaners for softer gems like opals, pearls, or emeralds, as they can cause fractures. For a professional level clean, consider taking your jewelry to a trusted jeweler once or twice a year for an expert polish and setting check. When you're not wearing your jewelry, proper storage is key. Keep gemstones away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Some stones like amethyst and topaz can fade with prolonged sun exposure. Store your jewelry in a fabric-lined box, keeping softer stones like opals and pearls separate from harder gems like diamonds and sapphires. Jewelry settings can loosen over time. Checking your prongs and clasps regularly ensures your stones stay secure. If you notice any issues, bring your jewelry to a professional jeweler for repair before wearing it again. At Gems & Why, we believe that fine jewelry is meant to be cherished for a lifetime. With a little extra care, your gemstones will continue to sparkle and shine for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more expert jewelry care advice. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to help. See you next time, and remember, your gemstones deserve the best.